Hello! Welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you ladies so much for your continued love and support of my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. Today's video is about how to gracefully handle disrespectful in-laws. Unfortunately, it's quite common for there to be tension between you and your in-laws, and sometimes you want to just be able to gracefully navigate the situation, maintaining your class, elegance, and poise. So I'm going to share with you a few ways to do that in this video. The main way to gracefully handle disrespectful in-laws is to kill with kindness. Now, I don't necessarily like using the word kill, but the truth is that anytime that you can lead with kindness and courtesy, you will always be maintaining your sense of gracefulness. So it's important to make that a top priority anytime you're interacting with your in-laws, especially when there's a disagreement or tension. The first way to gracefully handle disrespectful in-laws is after being criticized from something that you did maybe not the way they would have wanted you to do it or not the way they would have done it themselves, is to smile, take a deep breath, and ask for a suggestion. For example, you are serving dinner and your in-laws are complaining about the meal that you made. You can smile and ask for the recipe from how they would make the same dish, or you can ask for another example of what they would have preferred to have over dinner for the evening. Anytime that you're able to ask for a suggestion, you're allowing them to impart the wisdom and knowledge from their experience, and you'll gracefully make sure that the attention is not necessarily on them criticizing you, but on their opinions and whatever it is they want to share with you, whatever information they want to share. So it helps you to gracefully handle this situation of being criticized when you can smile, take a deep breath, and ask for a suggestion. The second way to gracefully handle disrespectful in-laws is if you are being nagged about something, you can change the subject and ask them a question so that they're able to talk about themselves. In general, people love to talk about themselves, and it helps take the attention and focus off of you. So for example, if your father-in-law is maybe nagging you about your career, you could ask him questions about his career. What was his favorite job, or who was his favorite boss? You can allow him to enjoy a trip down memory lane so that he can focus his attention on himself and his career and sharing whatever he wants to share, rather than nagging you about your career. So anytime you're in a situation being nagged, a great way to gracefully handle that is to ask someone a question and make sure that the attention and the focus is not necessarily on you, but you allow it to be on them. The third way to gracefully handle disrespectful in-laws is if you are in a situation when someone is speaking negatively or even gossiping, you can simply change the subject or even add a little bit of positivity to the conversation. As an example, let's say you are enjoying a glass of wine with your mother-in-law and she is gossiping about a cousin in the family and them having children out of wedlock, or whatever the case may be. So in this example, instead of continuing to add more fuel to the fire by you joining in on the gossip, you can maybe compliment her. Maybe she's not around, but you can still share something positive about that cousin. Like she has a great fashion sense, or she's incredibly talented with numbers and you're going to ask her for some of her help on your taxes next year. Whatever you can do to add some positivity to the conversation, or even better yet, change the subject entirely, will help you to avoid being involved in negative drama or gossip. That's definitely something that happens a lot in families. I really feel like our families gossip more than complete strangers or acquaintances or even friends, but that's just a personal opinion. So you never want to be involved in that negativity and that drama, and you can certainly either add a compliment or a positive comment to the situation or change the subject entirely to avoid it. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Please give it a thumbs up to share some YouTube love if you did enjoy it. And I look forward to seeing you again in another one. Bye for now.